Hey, it's Rebecca. And today I want to share with you some things that I'm giving away. I know people are going through a lot of crazy stress, anxiety, confusion. And if you want a fun read that will help you figure out how you can become more enlightened, Secrets of a Metaphysical Flight Attendant is my memoir. And I wrote it because I had those big aha moments that made me realize you can do some pretty amazing things when you tap into higher intelligence and your higher self, and you trust that God can do anything. So I'm giving you 2 free chapters if you would like. And I'm also giving you a meditation that you can use to get down to that alpha level of consciousness where you need to go to do these amazing things. So if you'd like this free gift, just go to the link below and I'll be happy to send it off to you.